guys. Today we are going to be talking about timer, the uses, the connections, and some other application of timer. Now we are going to start with the connection. If you look at here, you see the connection here. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now if you look number 2 and 7, that is the power input of it, how to connect it. You see power here for the 7 and 2. That means you can put neutral for either one, irrespective of the polarity you want to use. Now if you look at other connections here, you see number 1 now. You see number 1 is open to number 3. That means is open to number 3. When you put the timer, it will be open till. When you put the timer, it will be closed now. When you put timer, it will be closed. Why number 2? Why number 1 is close to number 4? 1 is open to 3 and number 1 is close to 4. Now you look at the other side of it. 8 is close to 5. Why 8 is open to 6? Now this is how you do your connection. If you want to time any specific thing you want to do, so you connect. When you put your live and neutral here for 2 and 7, you take your live now to put at number 8. Now if you put your live at number 8 now, number 8 now will be closed. Immediately you put your timer, your thing will start working. The output now is number 5. It's close to number 5. So you tap your live here and put at number 8. Now immediately you put your timer, the thing will start working immediately. After the timing or what your timing, whether you said maybe 10 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, after the specific time you set, the thing will stop working. Now we'll send output now to this number 6. Now it has time out. That means if you want your timer to work for a certain specific time, you will put it at 5. Then after working, you will send it out to number 6. That means you can want your thing to start. Maybe you can time what you want it to work for 50 minutes, or you can time it, or maybe at 50 minutes your thing what you want to use it to apply to control to start working at 15 minutes. That is what we want to do now. Now, what is timer? Timer is a specialized type of clock which we use in measuring specific time interval. That is timer. Now let's go to the connection. If you look at the numbers here, all the numbers, this is called base of the timer. These two now goes hand in hand. Without this one cannot work. Without this one cannot work. So this is the base. You put the timer, and these pins will go into this pin now. Let's see how many pin timer is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8 pin timer, and you have the numbers here. You have number 1, number 2, number 8 here, number 7, number 9, number 6, number 5, number 4, number 3. Now, according to this, you see our power is 2 and 7. Let's come here now. We are putting our neutral here is number 2. This is number 2, and we are putting our live in number 7. Then we'll tap that neutral now to that live to put an 8, so that it will be out to number 5 and 6. Now we'll now decide now, do we want what we want to use it for to work for 50 minutes for a certain seconds, or after that certain second the thing will begin to work. It's your decision on how you want to use your timer to control a specific working. Thank you. This is a minute timer. As you know what a timer is a specialized type of clock which is used to measure specific interval. So this is a minute timer. So now we don't want to delay our time much. So we are setting in 28 to 29 seconds. So this fan, we are using this our timer to control this fan. Now this our fan will work for 28 to 29 seconds. Then it will stop working. So we want to put the timer to control this fan now for 28 to 29 seconds before it will stop working. So we are putting on the control of the timer now. The time has started counting. It has started counting. So this fan now, we are using this timer now to control this fan to start to work for 28 to 29 seconds. Then it will stop working. You can use this timer to control any other thing you want to control for your appliances to work for a certain time duration before it will stop working. That is main that is the main function of this timer. So that our timer, our fan now will work. This timer is controlling this fan for a specific seconds now, and it will stop working. Let's watch. Now the fan has stopped working for the certain seconds. That is what we've been able to achieve. Now you can also use this timer to delay this fan. After some 50 to 29 to 28 seconds, the fan will start working. Let's look at it. The other way around is we are trying to delay this fan. After 28 to 29 seconds, this fan will start working. That is what the other aspect of it we want to check now. So we are putting on the device that controls the timer now. We are putting it on. Now our timer has started. We have started counting now. You will count for 28 to 29 seconds. Then our fan will start working automatically. Let's count. The timing is going. The timing is going. We are watching our timer without touching anything and see how the magic of how timer works. For 20 something seconds, our fan will just start working without anything touching it, without anybody controlling anything. Let's watch. We are waiting to see how our fan will start working. We are observing our fan the next 20 something seconds. Yes, that is how our fan has been able to start working without touching anything the next 28 to 27 seconds. So that is the beauty of timer. You can use timer to delay a thing to work after a certain time, or you can use timer to make your thing work for a certain time before it stops working. Thank you.